Is it safe to eat plums during pregnancy? Fruits and their unique benefits are needed for all age groups. Due to the presence of minerals and vitamins in fruits, this group must be included in the daily diet of people. That is why we cannot deny the use of fruit in health. One of the most delicious fruits that has many benefits is plum, which will be known more about its wonderful properties. Plums at a glance. Plums are suitable for every person. This fruit is a heavenly taste that contains minerals and nutrients, including potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin A, and etc. Benefits of eating plums during pregnancy. Premature birth prevention. Premature birth is very worrying for pregnant women. Consumption of plums helps to prevent this problem. The magnesium element in plum is very effective in relaxing the muscles and as a result prevents contractions. It brings and prevents premature birth and stillbirth. Prevention of constipation and hemorrhoids. During pregnancy, almost everything in a woman's body changes, and one of these hundreds of things are hormones that affect the mother's digestive system and cause problems such as constipation, bloating, and hemorrhoids. It is a source of fiber that is very useful and improves bowel function. Improving bone health. Plums are rich in vitamin K, vitamin D, and calcium. Vitamin K together with calcium and vitamin D keep bones strong. The growth of the child's skeletal structure depends on the use of foods in rich calcium. Struggle with stress and fatigue. During pregnancy, a pregnant person sometimes feels dull. This feeling is very annoying, but it is not without a solution. And one of the best solutions is to use plums during this period. Because of their presence, potassium and antioxidants work effectively. Plums contain vitamin K, which prevents blood clotting. Increasing the efficiency of the body's immune system. Aloe contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is also very effective in strengthening the body's immune system and prevents the pregnant mother from contracting diseases such as colds and flu. Having a low glycemic index. Diabetes is one of the most common diseases during pregnancy, which is of course very worrying. Pregnant women should be careful about their diet and use foods with a low glycemic index, and plums are one of the best choices in this regard. Plum balances blood pressure. Preeclampsia or blood pressure is very dangerous for pregnant women. Plum has a lot of potassium and fiber which prevents preeclampsia. Prevention of heart complications. Plums do not have saturated fat and can reduce the risk of heart attack and prevent heart problems. Fighting cancer. There are pigments called anthocyanins in plums, which are very useful in fighting cancer. It is very important to protect the mother and fetus against cancer during pregnancy. Strengthening memory. Antioxidants present in plums destroy damaged cells and thus help to strengthen memory. Plums are the enemy of anemia. Plums are not blood-forming by themselves, but due to the presence of vitamin C in the form of absorption of iron in the digestive organs, this vitamin fights anemia. Low calorie. Plum has very few calories and it is suitable for pregnant women, and its consumption does not lead to excess weight, as plum calories are easily burned with a few minutes of exercise. Risks of eating plums during pregnancy. Plums have wonderful properties that no one can deny. But in some cases, you should be careful because it can cause side effects for some people. Plums contain oxalate, so if someone has a history of kidney diseases, they should not consume this fruit because if these people eat plums, the symptoms related to kidney diseases will appear again. The amount of calories in plum is 0, but a pregnant woman needs calories during this sensitive period because she has to gain weight and the fetus grows, and plums cannot meet this need for calories. Is it permissible to eating plums during pregnancy? Yes, you can use all kinds of plums, including dried plums, pickled plums, and etc., without anxiety. But of course, in some cases, you have to check and make sure of some issues, then use it. For example, about pickled plums, you must have information about whether get the plums pickled in alcohol or not, because alcohol is harmful to pregnancy. Conclusion: consuming fruits and vegetables during pregnancy is not only safe, but also necessary. But considering the special conditions of the individual during this sensitive time, if you have any medical concerns or problems, you should consult your doctor before consuming anything, even plums. This case should not only be food may appear unhealthy, but a pregnant woman must ensure the health and strengthening of her diet.